Hi, so here are the exact steps how you can customize ChatGPT so that you will have very personalized experience while using ChatGPT for free of cost. So first you come to your profile section down over here and then click customize. So once you click customize, this new pop-up will open, and from here you can add your name and then what you do, right, your profession, then personality should ChatGPT have. Okay, so these are the things, groups of traits for ChatGPT. So by default it will be default mode. Default is actually cheerful and adaptive mode. Another one, critical and sarcastic. Then you have efficient and blunt, then thoughtful, supportive, and then explanatory and enthusiastic. Okay, these are the four actually you can say personality that ChatGPT has. Next, anyone you can choose from the top line. Next, you have what traits should ChatGPT have. This is basically you can tune ChatGPT's behavior by using a formal or professional tone, then be casual and chatty, and be opinionated. If question could have multiple answers, try to give only the best one. Okay, so these are the things you can consider. Just you add the description over here, or else you can select quick tags from here. Okay, like chatty, witty, straight forward, then encouraging, Gen Z, traditional, forward thinking. So whatever traits you want, the personality, you can select it. Even you can select multiple traits or personalities or tags. Okay, next you have anything else that GPT should know about you, right? So you can use like you can limit ChatGPT's what to use and what not to use. For example, never use words like number, curated material, less than triggered, like that. So just, and for example, I have added this one, and then in these advanced options, make sure all these four options are selected. Okay, like web search, then code for the web building, and then canvas for this graphics, and advanced voice, okay, for your voice search. Okay, so hope you find this video helpful, and this option also enabled for new chats. You enable it and then finally you save it. Okay, this much in this video. If you have any questions, please ask me, and check out our already published videos. We have already published lots of shorts, almost 270 plus shorts on artificial intelligence and technology, and the useful links will be there in the descriptions. Not mandatory to like and subscribe. I hope you be with me. That's all. Thank you. Take care. Bye.